Hey boys and girls, it's Mr. Yu, your friendly neighborhood science teacher. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use bookmarks to get you guys organized for your distance learning classrooms. This way, you can have access to all of the materials and websites that your teachers want you to have access to really quickly. All right, everybody, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure your bookmark bar is enabled. The way to do that is go to your right-hand side of your screen. You'll see these three dots. Click on them. You'll get to a option. Fifth one down says bookmarks. Go ahead and click on it and then select show bookmark bar. When you do that, it's going to show this little thing right underneath where you can write your websites. That is your bookmark bar. We're not ready to use it yet. First, we got to add some folders. The way to do that is you guys are going to click on this star right here. That's going to bring up some options on what to do with bookmarks. Go ahead and select more. Click new folder and then type grade or Pinnacotti Middle School grade 7, or if you're in 8th grade, write grade 8 and then save. And then we're going to go back into it one more time, go to more, and we're going to start adding all of our periods. So let's write period 1, new folder, period 2, new folder, period 3, new folder, period 4. Let's just leave that at for right now. So we have our periods added, and then let's go back and click on these three dots, because now that we have our periods added, we need to organize them. So let's go to a bookmarks manager and then click on period 1, 2, 3, 4. They should be all nested inside each other. But now what we want to do is we want to move them out of there. So go ahead and drag the period and put it into our PMS 7th grade folder. So click and drag, and you might want to organize these in the correct order. Now that we have that, if we come back to our bookmark bar, we will see that we have our periods kind of organized pretty nice. So now let's go ahead and add a bookmark to each of these periods. So let's go to Google Classroom. You're going to click on the star, go to other bookmarks, and then click period 1 and then hit save. Then we're going to do the same thing to our second period. Go to your bookmark. This is 6th period, but let's just pretend it's our second period. So you're going to go to your second period class, go to the bookmarks bar, select second period, save. Let's do that for our third period. This is 7th period for me, but let's pretend it's your third period. So you're going to click here, go to your, choose another folder, click on period 3, and then save it. Now you're going to do that for all of your things that you need for each of your classes. So let's go back to our period 1, and let's say that this is our daily attendance sheet that your teacher has said to use every time. So now you can save this into your bookmark. So click on it, go to more, and then select and then save. Now when we click on this, go to period 1, you get your Google Classroom and you have your attendance. Let's say that your teacher has a class website. Let's save this. We're gonna click here, go to more, click on save. And now when we click on period 1, you get all of the different things that your period 1 teacher wants you to have access to. That way you don't have to, do a bunch of things. You can just come up here, get to the right place really quickly, and this will help you stay organized in your class. All right, boys and girls, I hope you like that. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.